Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so the purchase completes without friction. Sign into the App Store with your Apple ID and complete two-factor authentication. Once done, make sure a valid payment method is on file, card, Apple Pay, or redeem code. Next, search for the exact app name and open its product page immediately. Check device compatibility, required iOS version, and app size. These checks prevent wasted downloads and unexpected charges, so do them before you tap any buy or get button. Once you're on the app page, review the how and why behind it. Read the description and recent version notes to know what changed. Scan ratings and the newest reviews to spot bugs or hidden costs. Developer replies reveal support quality. Look closely at in-app purchases and subscription tiers. Note trial length, renewal price, and cancellation rules. When ready, tap the price or get button, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to confirm the transaction securely. After confirming, watch the download progress and open the app to finish first-run setup. Sign into the developer account if required and restore purchases when prompted. Once installed, verify features listed on the page work as expected, test key functions quickly. To manage payments later, go to your Apple ID subscriptions in Settings. Troubleshooting tip: if download fails, restart the device and check Wi-Fi or cellular data. If purchases don't unlock, force quit the app and use the app's Restore Purchases button before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.